Chance fractures of the spine. A head-on collision will cause the person wearing a lap belt to suddenly flex his spine at the waist, creating a severe stress on the posterior elements of the vertebrae. Chance fracture is also called seat belt fractures, and they are flexion distraction injuries that can occur when there is acute hyperflexion of the spine. The fracture occurs around a fixed point anterior to the spine. The chance fractures are less associated with motor vehicle accidents after shoulder and lap belts were installed. These fractures probably occur more from falls or crush injuries. There are two types of chance fracture: bony chance and ligamentous chance. The bony chance could heal with immobilization with casting or bracing. The ligamentous chance will not heal. Ligaments don't heal, and that will usually require surgery. Chance fracture usually involve the three columns of the spine in a horizontal orientation of the fracture: the anterior, the middle, and the posterior. These fractures usually occur at the level of T12, L1, or L2. This injury is usually not associated with neurological deficit. Obtain a CT scan of the abdomen because this injury is associated with intra-abdominal injuries such as the colon, the duodenum, and the pancreas. All my videos and this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before you make any decision about your medical care.